be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order. She wants to wonder. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wonder.
She had me here.
Yeah.
That's what they say.
She wants to wonder.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's review is actually on a ponytail that was sent to me by SAMSBEAUTY, and this one is an affordable slay, you guys. This one really slays super hard, and it's literally $12. So you definitely want to check out this tutorial to get you a nice quarantine look for the low and super easy. So today I started with a wig. I took my wig off, unbraided my braids, and decided to switch up my look with a ponytail. So I brushed out any tangles in my hair. I used my Murray's Edge Wax today, and I also used my flat iron. When you want to get a super sleek look and your hair is natural, you don't want to add any products that have a water base like gels and things like that. You want to stick to something that's going to not make your hair revert back. So I love Murray's Edge Wax for this. I use edge control as well, but I don't like to use edge control all throughout my hair. It's so sticky and hard. Sometimes it makes me feel like I am damaging my hair when I use edge control all throughout. So I like to use this Murray's wax. It's a lot softer, but it doesn't make your hair revert. So since my hair was reverting back, I do have 4C natural hair. I just wanted the edges and all around you know, the outside of my hair to be super flat. So I went in with the hot iron, I went in with the flat iron and flattened it out. That is my new Vav flat iron, and I promise you it has become my all-time favorite. I'll leave a link down below where you can grab it from Amazon, as well as all the products that I'm using. All the links will be down below. You can grab them from Amazon, and the ponytail is from SAMSBEAUTY. So I went ahead and flattened the ends of my hair as well, because you will be able to see these in the ponytail if they are not smooth and straight. So I wanted the ends of my hair to be smooth and straight as well. So I went ahead and took out some baby hairs. I did want to have an extra baby hair look today. I saw a baby hair appreciation post on one of my homeboys' pages on Instagram. His Instagram is Groovy Jean, and I wanted to do this look so I can make a submission for the baby hair appreciation post. So this one is going to be extra baby hairs, y'all. If you don't like that, then you might as well just click off now, because this one is going to be OD baby hairs, and I love it. So you want to separate out your baby hairs first, especially if you want to have a lot. Then you're going to take some more of your Murray's Edge Wax, and you're going to go ahead and smooth that all around the perimeter of your hair. Later you're going to take out the rubber band and incorporate all this hair into the rubber band, but for now you just want to get it nice and smooth and brushed down. I also went in with my Got To Be Freeze Spray to just give it an even more sleek look and to keep it nice and flat and straight. This step you definitely want to use a bristle brush, making sure that you're keeping your baby hairs to the side. I lost some of my baby hairs here and there, but I just made sure that I went ahead and continued to take them out so that you have them for the last part of this style. So you're going to go ahead and, like I said, redo your ponytail so it's nice and sleek and smooth. And if you need a little bit of freeze spray, you can go ahead and grab your Got To Be freeze spray. So I was pretty happy with this. I didn't tie the hair down or anything. I just went ahead and started styling my baby hairs. So for this step, you want to make sure your baby hairs are nice and straight. So you're going to go in with your flat iron again. And my flat iron was on 400 for this step, and I literally just flat ironed the I went ahead and flat ironed my baby hairs. Oh, I guess I put the ponytail on first. So this is the ponytail. It does come with a wraparound, but I always grab a section from the actual ponytail to secure the ponytail around the base of my ponytail. I used to try to use bobby pins, but I just feel like that created too much tension and it was painful on my head. So I literally just take a piece of the hair from the ponytail and just go ahead and use that to, you know, instead of using a bobby pin to hold the ponytail in place. Then I go ahead and wrap the ponytail around as normal, and I use that, you know, side piece to go ahead and wrap around. I use my freeze spray to just make sure it's sleek and smooth, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I never used a bobby pin for this style at all. So yeah, this is pretty much the look. The ponytail is so long, it's so pretty, and the texture is bomb. You can see it has some yuckiness to it, so it matches and blends perfectly with my hair. I love this ponytail. This is probably one of my favorite wraparound ponytails, because the wraparound section is not too wide, and you didn't have a lot that you needed to try to manipulate to move around your actual ponytail. So this one was really easy to work with. I think it's a great beginner one if you've never tried a wraparound ponytail before. So like I said, I went ahead and flat ironed my baby hairs. I added some edge control here, and remember to curl your baby hairs. I forgot to do that, so I went back and curled the longer pieces. If you curl the longer pieces of your baby hairs, it makes it so much easier to manipulate your baby hairs. So this part is totally optional. You do not have to do this part, but I definitely wanted to, and I always do extra baby hairs, but this is like extra baby hairs, okay? Extra AF baby hairs. But I love the way these came out, and yeah, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I play around with these, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. So this is pretty much the end result, you guys. As you can see, I definitely take my time with my baby hairs when I want them to look a certain way. But if you use a lot of patience, you can definitely get the look that you're going for. So if you guys have questions and I haven't answered anything, leave it in the comments down below. I'll be sure to get back with you guys. Let me know how you guys like to rock your baby hairs, and let me know if you guys submit to my homeboy's page for baby hair appreciation over on IG at Groovy Jean. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a ponytail or baby hair lover. Share this video with your mama, okay? All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.